I'm Penny Bauer, and I'm going to give you a tour of eCare and all the information you can find there. If you don't have your eCare account set up, you can set your eCare account from our website under My Account. I'm assuming you already have your account set up, and I'm going to walk you through the information you can find on eCare. So I'm going to take you to your eCare screen. From eCare, you will find several tabs at the top of your screen, starting with your Welcome tab. The first thing you'll see is your balance due. You can pay from here, or you can view your current invoice from clicking here. You can view past invoices, and you can view your payment history. From here, we move over to our quick links where you can actually make a payment. You can view payment history again. You can view and edit your payment options. From here, you're able to click in and change your payment options, your credit card information, your bank draft information to make your payments from. Down here, you can view your latest invoice. You can also print from here. You can print from any of your latest invoices, your past invoices. You can stop your paper bills from here. You can view unbilled usage detail. If you have our gig fiber service, you can actually view your gig usage from this tab. To see your usage, you can go under View Unbilled Usage Details. From here, if you'll tab over to Data, you will see your service and your billable usage as of that date. You can upgrade your service by upgrading under here. If you would like to add features to your phone service as well as upgrade, so you can upgrade your internet service from here by clicking in the tab here and adding those features. Go back to reporting a problem. You can actually do a trouble ticket from our website under eCare. And from here, you would go down to New Ticket. So if you're having an outage or you're experiencing a trouble and you would like to report it through eCare, you can. And from here, you would make sure to put your contact number. You have drop-down tabs here that kind of give you some ideas of things that might be going wrong with your services that you would pick. And you would also pick what service type is out or you're having issues with. And then if you have any comments to add with that, best times to call you back, ways to, get in touch with you over your service outage or your problem, you would type that in here and hit save, and then that comes back to us in the office. If you want to estimate your data usage, you can click here. And from here on our website, we give you a way to calculate your usage to give you more of an idea of what would best meet your needs for usage for fiber service. For example, if you web browse 2 hours a day and then stream audio for an hour or 2 hours, you do no online gaming, you do not stream SD video, standard definition video, you stream high definition video maybe 2 hours per day, you stream no 4K, it shows you that your usage per month is 186.8 gigs per month would be your usage. So we're back in eCare. At the top of your screen in eCare, we've been in the Welcome tab with the quick links that you can view to look at your services and make quick changes. If you choose to, you can go to the top of the screen and go into each individual tab that's a little more detailed to what you're looking at. Next to the Welcome tab, there's the Invoice and Payments tab. From here, you can do the same things, but it's more in line with just looking up Invoice and Payments. If you look at services, you will see where you can add your services. You can add your caller ID and different things and upgrade your services from here. From your Profile tab, you can find your security information along with your email information for your profile. You can make changes from this screen. Under the inbox, you will find where we've notified you through eCare, through email, and you can go back and view those if you've missed them. And in our Documents tab, if you have permission to act on your account or you have any other notable documentation that your account should have listed, power of attorneys or anything like that, you will find it under the Documents tab. That's a quick overview of eCare. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.